For our ongoing class, we are digging the pentatonic scale. We're going to use it to improvise over The Cat Came Back, where the chords are just an A minor, G, F. So we're using the C pentatonic scale to improvise over a song that essentially is an A minor, and it works. The notes are in the pentatonic scale the C, D, E, A, and G and A. And we looked at it going from our low G string to our A string. So doing that, we have a G, and then we press in on the second fret, that's an A. We play an open C. We press in on the second fret, and that's a D. So the pattern is we're pressing in on the second fret here on the two lower strings. Now we get to the E string, we do an open E, and now we're going to press in the third fret, and that's a G note. An A, third fret, C. So it is G, A, and I'm going to get in my finger picking position. G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C. Now let's do a descending scale. C, A, G, E, D, C, A, G. And I would suggest you just take one or two or three notes, and come up with a little lick like this. Okay, what did I do? Ba, 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 da. I did something called a hammer-on. I'm just working with the two lower strings, the G and the C. I'm plucking with my right hand, ba, ba, hammer, ba. Or you could pick each one. Why don't we try that? Ba, 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 ba. And you got yourself a lick. Ba, 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 ba. 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. Something you could use with a song that's in the key of C as a fill. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. How about if we look at our C here? Let's come up with one more lick. C, and let's use the A and the G. How about something like this? Or, ooh, I like that one. I started with a G, ba, ba, A, G, A, C. You can finish a song doing that. Ba, in the key of C. And that's how we can begin, how you can begin to build a library of your own licks that you have come up with. Record it, okay? Write it down so you don't forget. And have fun, have a ball.